morning, everyone. Welcome to Minute FX. Today, I want to talk about to analyze the market. All right. If you want to trade, how do you look at the market? But before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also probably click the notification bell so that you can be notified when videos drop like this. Don't forget also to join us on our free Telegram channel. It's free. Traders around the world drop their trade analysis in that group just for free. All right. If you want to actually mix with trader with like minds, you get them in the Telegram channel. Also, probably if you want to learn how I trade, basically try as much as possible to actually send me a message on Telegram. Okay, just send me a message on Telegram. We see how we can work around it. Like if you want a one-on-one, basically. All right. So don't forget the link will be in the description of the video. Cheers. Let's go into the chart. All right. When you want to start analyzing the market, all right, what you do first is understand the long-term view of the market. And personally, I understand the long-term view of the market is by market structure. That's how I see the long-term view of the market. For instance, this is the current price level, all right? So this is what price is doing currently. I want to see where my low is and where my high is, all right? First, I will mark my previous high. Second, I will mark my current low so that I can have the perspective of what I'm doing based on daily. You have to settle down and finish your analysis on daily before going around all that time frame. Okay, now where was my previous high? This was my previous high. In case you have not watched my structure video, try as much as possible to watch it. I don't know, the link should be in the description, or check through the channel. I have a playlist for that. So check through it, you will see there. All right, so this was my previous high, and this is my current low based on daily. So I have already established that. Now, what am I looking out for on daily? I need a new high to be created, which we already have some sort of a new high in this. There is a new high somewhere around here. There is a new high somewhere there. Okay, so let me draw it out very well. This is a new high because it took out inducement around here. So if you want to understand it, just watch my structure video, you get it. And this high is a valid high because it took out this inducement here. All right, so we have this high, this low because it took out the valid high, and then price came down, push up, and then give us another kind of inducement here, and then took it out, then push up. All right, most persons are looking to actually trade from somewhere around here, and it's not wrong. Okay, it's a very good place to trade because it's also a very good demand zone. Okay, it's a very good demand zone. Price can come there and start pushing up. But because of the way daily is set up, to validate this particular high, inducement has to be taken also. All right, to validate this high, inducement has to be taken. First, I was anticipating I'm just telling you how I think about the market. All right, I'm anticipating that an inducement will be created here, push up, and then price come back into this area. All right, so if price does that, then this place will be a valid area to trade from based on daily. Based on daily, this place will be a valid place to trade from because now we have an inducement somewhere around here that price will take out, and then price come into this zone, liquidity was swept, everything was just sharp, perfect. All right, and then price will start pushing up. But currently, with the way price is printing, this particular place might end up as an inducement if another inducement is not created based on daily. So, and I like supporting daily so much. All right, so if no other inducement is created, I'm looking at this place as inducement to be taken. All right. So I want this place to be taken as inducement. So immediately price take out this inducement, price can do whatever I want to do. Price can start, buying from this imbalance here. Although I won't be looking at that place, I'll be looking at this place because there's liquidity below. There is equal low. I've done an analysis on this chart. It's on the I think it's one of the most recent video I dropped. You can check it out. You see it there. All right. If price as price is already printed, price goes above this high, then this low becomes my inducement. Price goes up, come back, then I'll be able to enter my trade from somewhere around this zone. All right. But if price didn't do that, then I need this place to be cleared as inducement, and then price come down to this lower part. So I've established that on daily. As simple as it is, it's difficult, but that's just how I look at the chart. That's how I trade a market. Now, what do I want to do? I want to see all the possibilities in the market. After you've done this on daily time frame, then you can now start going to lower time frame, probably H1 or H4, to check more about price on those time frames. So let me go to H1 first. Because of time frame correlation, I like going to H1. All right. So this is H1. All right. What is H1 saying? H1, okay. For H1 currently, H1 is saying that, let's mark a structure thing. All right. Okay, probably H1 has not given us any kind of structure, but it has given us a change of character somewhere around here. So this was a change of character, which make, okay, maybe price will sell. And the next thing that happened is, you see this place is an inducement, a valid one at that. All right, so this zone would have been valid for itself, this place here. So that's that. So it would have been valid for itself and price actually sold. That's for a while. Now the second thing is that price also cleared this low. Clear this low. Now remember, we are looking at price taking out inducement on daily, probably. So price took out this low, took out this inducement here, and then we are waiting for price to actually start selling anywhere around here. All right, price can start selling anywhere around here. That's the first thing you have to pay attention to. All right, so price can start selling, price might not sell. You can't win all the trade. All right, so you just have to minimize your risk so that you don't get burned. So that's just how I do my analysis. The reason why I wouldn't be actually thinking about selling this asset yet, or unless maybe probably I see confirmation on lower time frame, is because price is at a structural point on H4, all right, somewhere around here. Probably it as what do they call it? Support on H4. So let me just show you. All right, so this was a support on H4, and price has already given us an M30 break of structure. Change of character to the upside. So there's a tendency that price can go clear all this place and then go down. So that's why majorly I'm not going to sell. In fact, I'm not going to touch the sell. I'm going to wait for price to do whatever I want to do. If it sells from here down, then I can start looking for a sell. But you are beating a sell first. So this second one, I'm just doubting it because where it reacted from is a very important area on H4 that I don't want to overlook. So let's just wait and see what price we do. So that's just how to check the market. Okay, check the market from daily, then down to H1, check what is happening on H4, make your analysis. That's simple, and then phew, you know whatever you want to do. So for me, I know that, okay, price had to retrace down. If I want to catch the retracement down, I have to be patient. And also I have to know that is a risky move because it's a retracement. It can dance, it can do anything. So you just have to be very, very careful when you do those analysis and how you enter the trade. So that's just what I would say. So if you want to know how to get your entry, I've made a video on entry. Check that video out. It will help you a lot. All right, it will help you a lot. So I'm going to stop here. This is just basically how I analyze the market to get a trade. All right, so that's that. Thank you very much. Have a profitable trading week. Bye for now. Don't forget, subscribe, like the video, and click the notification button. Have a nice and wonderful week. Bye.